Oh, baby. iPhone 15 Pro could come in a dark red with pink and light blue options for iPhone 15. With every iteration of the iPhone, Apple changes the available color options, often introducing a special color or set of colors that set the new iPhones apart from the prior generation. So I remember probably my favorite of those like one-off colors was the green, the midnight green. And they do it each time because, and then it's an immediate signal that it's the latest one. I guess was the purple kind of like that as well, but that came after. There was the green, and then there was a unique blue, maybe. But there's been a few over the years. I liked this one. I read a story about how they had to get the pigment from some famous color pigment company in Japan, and there's only so much of it available, and they're like, that's what we did for our green. And you remember Samsung once did the thing on their Phantom Black?
Oh, yeah.
And they were like, it's the blackest of blacks, the best black. It's better than any black you've ever seen. And
Yeah.
but anyway, I don't know that they've done a real red like that. Obviously, there's been product red, but that's much different. This is a deeper, more of a midnight spectrum of red. Apple's iPhone 15 and 15 Pro models will also come in unique colors, according to 9 to 5 Mac. An unnamed source indicates Apple is working on a 15 Pro Max in a dark red, which is close to a burgundy shade. The color hex is 410D0D, described as dark sienna. It's kind of like what Tesla was trying to do with the new red they were doing on the car. It was like a metallic cherry, I want to say. Maybe it's time for the dark reds. Theirs has maybe a little more. I might even like theirs better, but who knows, because you haven't seen it. This could be a good match, though, right? Well, that midnight cherry to go with your dark sienna, create the whole theme. This is more orange, maybe? More crimson?
Yeah.
It's tough to say. You're also going to have some brighter colors, like a light blue and a pink shade. A couple other color hexes to look at. Telemagenta and Picton blue. Those are like popping at you. This is the more youthful non-pro model. And the youth will pick it up for the TikToks and things.
Definitely.
The youth.